A very good morning, my dears. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we discussed page number 61, 1, 2, 3 problems, remaining problems. Today we will discuss. Okay, 72. List all the factors of 72. We know 1 is the factor of every digit, every number. 172 is a 72. Now, 2 is divisible to by 72. Now check it. 72, 2. 2 3 is 6. 7 minus 6, 1, 2. 2 6 12. Here we have to get remainder 0. Or in 1's plus 2 is there? No. This is even number. So exactly divisible this number. That's why we have to do addition. 2 into 36 is equal to 72. 2 into 36. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of all numbers, sum of the digit is divisible by 3. This number also divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 is there in 3 table. Yes. 9 is divisible by 3, no? So now we have to divide 72 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Here we get remainder 0. So 3 into 24 equal to 72. 3 into 24 is equal to 72. Next, 72 is it divisible by 4? 4 1s are 4. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32, 0. 18 into 4 is equal to 72. 4 into 18 is equal to 72. 5 is not divisible, not factor of 72, because 5 divisibility rule in 1's place 0 or 5 is there, that only divisible by 5. So 6. Now check it. 6. 72. 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. So 12 6 are 72. Next, not there 13 is divisible. 14. So factors of 72 are 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 18 24 36. 12 18 24 36 and 72. How many factors are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 factors are there. Okay. Fifth one, 88. As usual, we have to write 188 is 88. 188 is 88. 2. 244 is 88. 3. 8 plus 8 is 16. Not there in 3 table, no, it's 16. So, not divisible. 4. 4 into 22 is equal to 88. Next, only 11 table only there 88. 11 8s are 88. Factors of 88 are 1 2 4 11 and 8 22 44 88. Observe the given table. Here given 1 to 30 factors. 1 to 30 numbers factors. Now observe it. 1. Every number factor of 1. Every number is 1 and itself. 2. 2 is having 1. 2's are 2. 2 1's are 2. 2 has factors. 2 factors. 3. 3 1's are 3. 1 3's are 3. 3 also having 2 factors. 4. 2 2's are 4. 1 4's are 4. 4 1's are 4. So 1 2 4. 3 factors. Next 5. 1 and itself. 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 3's are 6. 3 2's are 6. 6 1's are 6. How many factors having 6? 4. 7. 1 and itself. 8. 8 1's are 8. 4 2's are 8. 1 8's are 8. 4 factors. 9. 3 3's are 9. 9 1's are 9. 3 factors. 9 also having 3 factors. 10. 10 1's are 10. 2 5's are 10. 5 2's are 10. 10 1's are 10. 10 having 4 factors. 11. 1 and itself. 12. 1 12's are 12. 2 6's are. 3 4's are. 4 3's are. 6 2's are. 12 1's are. How many factors totally 12 having? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 13. 1 and itself. 14. 14 1's are 14. 1 14's are 14. 2 7's are 14. 7 2's are 14. So 14 having 4 factors. 15. 1 15's are 15. 3 5's are 15. 5 3's are 15. 15 1's are. 15 also having 4 factors. Next 16. 1 2 4 8 16. 5 factors. 17. 1 and itself. 2 factors. 18. 1 2 9's are 18. 3 6 are 18. 9 2's are 18. 18 1's are. 18 having 6 factors. Next 19. 1 and itself. 20. 1 2 4 5 10 20. How many factors? 6. 21. 1 3 7's are 21. 7 3's are 21. 21 4 factors. 22. 1 2 11's are 22. 11 2's are 22. 22 1's are 22. 4 factors. 23. 1 and itself. 24. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. 1 to 30 digits. 24 only having 8 factors. This is the having 8 factors. 24 only having 8 factors. 25. 1 5 5's are 25. 25 1's are 25. 3 factors. 26. 1 2 13 26. 4 factors. 27. 1 3 9's are 27. 9 3's are 27. 27 1's are 27. 4 factors. 28. 1 28's are. 2 14's are. 4 7's are. 7 4's are. 14 2's are. 28 1's are. 6 factors. 29 also 1 and itself. 2 factors. 30. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. In between 1 to 30, 24 having 8 factors and 30 also having 8 factors. Okay. Fifth one. Find the number between 20 and 30 which has the most factors. We discussed table now. 24 is having more factors. Between 20 to 30, 24 having more factors. So here we have to write 24. Okay. 24 answer. Sixth one. Write the 2-digit number that has factors. 2-digit number 22. 22 11 factor. 2 factor, 1 factor. So here we have to write 22. Okay. 11 2s are 22, 22 1s are 22. Okay. Next, 2, 3 and 5 as the factors. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So this 3 digits having the factor of 30. 30 having 5 factor, 3 factor and 2 factors. So here you have to write 30. Next, what number go in the gaps? The first one is done. Here giving, people can share 20 cakes equally. First, 20 cakes are there. People can share equally. 4 or 5. 4 5s are 20. 4 each one, 4 members each one take 5 cakes. 20 members each one take 1 cake. 21s are 20. Next, 10 2s are 20. When we write factors, that is the correct answer for this. Next, people can share 8 cakes. So what are the factors of 18? 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next, 3 table 18 is there? Yes. 3 6 are 18. Next, people can share 12 cakes equally. 12. First 1 12s are 12. Next, 2 6 are 12. Here 2 table also 12 is there. And 3 4s are 12. And 4 table also there. 4 3s are also correct. Next, people can share 14 cakes equally. First, 1 14s are, we have to write here. 1 14s are, 2 7s are only. 1 14s are 14, 2 7s are 14. Not there 3 table in 8, 14 no. So these two only we have to write. Next, people can share 16 cakes equally. 1 16s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. That like 2 8s are 4 4s are 1 16s are. Next, people can share 15 cakes equally. 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Because 2 table not there in 15. 15 is odd number no. So 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Write like this. People can share given cakes. This like share it. Next, cross out the factors of 24. Here given one table. Cross out the factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? 2. 2. Cross out the factors of 24. 2 table also there 24. 2 12s are 24. Here even number no. So this is factor of 24. Next, 6. 6 4s are 24. 12 2s are 24. And 4 8s are 24. Sorry, 4 6 are 24. 2 12s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 12 2s are 24. 4 6 are 24. Cross this line. Next, cross out the factors of 20. 20 factors. 10. 21s are 20. Next, 10. Next, cross out the factors of 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next, 15 1s are 15. Cross out the factors of 14. 14 1s are 7 2s are 14. Next, this is the factor of 24. 8 3s are 24 also there, no? Next, 24. 24 ones are 24. 1 is the factor of every number. So, cross out this. So, which are left here? 9 and 16. So, here we have to write 9, 16. Because not there factor of 24, 9. 20 factor also not. 15 factor also not there. 14 also not there. These two numbers having not factors of these 4 digits. 4 numbers. 9 and 16. Leftover numbers are 9 and 16. I will explain again, children. Listen carefully. Cross out the factors of 24. 2 is the factor of 24. 6 4s are 12 2s are 4 6 are. Again 24 1s are. Okay, 8 3s are. Cross out these all. Next, cross out the factors of 20. 20 1s are 20. Okay. Next, cross out the factors of 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Next, leftover numbers are 9 and 16. Now let us discuss what is multiples. What is multiple? A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Is called multiple. Multiples. Find the multiples of 5. We know already 5 into any number we get its multiple. When we multiplied any number by 5, we get 5 multiples. Now, let us check it. 5 into 0, 1, 2, whatever number it may be, we get multiple. Whatever number it may be, we multiplied, we get multiple. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40, 5 24s are 120, 5 38s are 180, 5 46s are 230, 5 59s are 295, 5 hundreds are 500. These are multiples of 5. We get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other numbers. We get multiple. 5, 10, 25, 40, 60, 120, 230, 295, 500 are multiples of 5. Next, let us check it one more number. Find the multiples of 12. 12 zeros are, 12 ones are, up to 10. 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. These are the multiples of 12. This like we have to find out multiples. Now everybody open your textbook page number 68, Roman number 1. Roman number 1. Write down the first 5 multiples of given numbers. They are asking only 5 multiples. First one, 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. These are the 5 multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These are coming up 6 table, no? Next 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. We have to write only 5 multiples because they are asking 5 only, no. 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 48, 16 4 ja 64, 16 5 ja 80. Next, fourth one, 21. 21 1s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 21 3s are 63, 21 4s are 84, 21 5s are 105. Fifth one is multiply 21. Next, fifth one is 25. 25, 50, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125. This like we have to find out multiples of given numbers. I will give 5 numbers. Find out their multiples in a homework book. Next, second Roman. Which of these is not a multiple of 4? Here given some numbers which are the is not multiple, circle it. Okay, 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 7 are 28, 4 8 are 32. 25 not there in 4 table, no, so circle it. Remaining numbers are all in 4 table. Next, which of these is not a multiple of 7? 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. 37 is not there in 7 table, no, so circle it.